Akunasithandwa la.
Sanibonani Dumilangu Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirane, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelangu Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yasepebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
I'm not saying anything, honey. Not anything against you.
Hi, guys.
Look at you.
Hello. How are you? I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions. Would you guys mind? Just doing a couple's questions, Nyan. A couple's quiz, sorry. You don't mind? Sir, you look like you mind.
No, I do what that's like. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just come this side. Pinda, where do you want us? We're going back. Okay. I was so distracted by the cars. Like, and just let them come shy.
When you left me.
Hi, guys. Okay. On my left, please.
Sorry.
So on my right.
No.
Yeah. Name?
My name is Namsha.
Namsha and?
That is.
So how long have you been together?
It's been about 8 months now.
Okay. Still going strong?
Yeah, still going strong.
Okay. Namsha, is it? Would you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Where did you meet you?
Yeah, we meet at the Molsana Mall.
Really?
Yes.
Do you remember the first thing he said to you?
Yeah.
What did he say?
To say my number.
Oh, damn. You move fast. Okay. What is it that you liked about him?
Personally, it's alright. Yeah, well,
What's care, Namsha? Is it money?
no, even if without money, okay, like Kankatalela.
Uh-huh. I like you. I think I like you. I've met a lot of gold diggers in my days. Anyway, are you happy that you're not a gold digger?
Yeah.
Would you date a gold digger?
No.
So you wouldn't date me?
No.
I'm a gold digger, but I'm a nice gold digger though. I'm a nice person. But anyway, okay, what is it that you like about Namsha?
Personality, I would say.
Uh-huh.
And you know us gents, body, man.
The body, ne? I get you. She's got a nice body.
Yeah.
Okay, what would you rate it? 10 out of 10?
Ha, broke my scale.
Hectic. Okay, speaking of scales,
Yeah.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust her?
I would give a 9.5.
9.5.
Mm.
Leaving 0.5 for
For
disappointment.
disappointment, yeah.
Okay. Okay. How much do you trust him on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.6.
9.6. Damn, guys. Okay. Okay. Would you then mind testing your loyalty?
Yeah, I don't mind.
You don't mind? Okay. Would you mind?
Testing it what?
By switching phones?
Nah, I don't think it's necessary, man.
Why, Tyrese? Why?
Why switching phones?
Why not? Are you hiding something on your
Nah,
phone?
there's nothing I'm hiding. There's nothing I'm hiding.
Mm-hmm.
Just, man.
So what's the issue?
Okay, then. It's okay. It's okay. We can switch phones and test their loyalty.
Okay. Namsha, can I have your phone? Can I have your phone, Tyrese? Let's start with yours, my Scatinet. Just give me your... Just open it for me. Tlamini, where's my... Hey. Thank you, my Scat. Okay, go to WhatsApp, ne? Okay, search. Okay, type love you. Okay, what do you see?
It's me. It's me. It's your mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Still me.
Okay.
Dead.
Okay. Delete that. Type babe.
Yeah, still me.
Okay. Delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Oh, friends.
Okay.
Me.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Just check who's doing her favors. We never know.
Never know. Yeah. Dead aunt. Still
Okay.
me.
Okay. Okay. Okay, delete that. Type last night.
Mm. Mm.
Okay.
Still me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Delete that. Type pregnant.
Mm. Yeah, still me.
Did you get pregnant? Oh, you had a pregnancy scare, ne? Okay. Maybe was it a pregnancy scare, Tyrese?
Should have.
Oh, okay. Did you guys test for it?
Yeah.
And it was negative?
Negative.
Oh, thank God.
Oof, thank you.
Okay. Delete. Type morning after pill.
Mm. It was the time I bought.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Good girl. You see, I like you.
Good girl.
Okay, no, perfect. She's clean. Give her back her phone, please. Tyrese, don't disappoint me.
No.
Open your phone, please. You look pale.
Should I give her?
Yes, please. Please give her. Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay, search. Type love you.
Okay,
Okay, what do you see?
it's me,
Mm-hmm.
nosisi wakhe,
Okay,
noma wakhe.
nice. Delete, type miss you.
Okay. It's me, usisi wakhe, uma wakhe, then nomngane wakhe.
Okay. Delete, type last night.
Last night. It's me.
Yeah, I wanna delete, type babe. Where, Tyrese? Go into the conversation, my Scott. Tyrese?
No, obuhle. Yeah.
Sibona izinto apha. Who's okuhle? Go into the
Can
conversation.
I see?
You don't know what's on your phone.
Yeah.
I do.
It's okuhle. Si bayakhuluma the even bayabonana nokubonana.
What's happening?
Nah, she's my cousin. Okuhle is my cousin.
She's your cousin. Aren't you colored? Why do you have a black cousin? Tyrese? What's happening?
Father's side, from my father's side, and she knows my father's black.
Oh, your father is black. Is his dad black? His dad is not black? Hi, Tyrese. Why are you black? Don't black fishing. What's wrong with you?
That is my cousin. We can phone her.
Is your dad black?
And they're like, he's not first time ngibuza ngo-okuhle.
It's not the first time you've been. Oh, my Scott, let's actually call her. Let's actually call her. Okay. Okay, just hold for. Okay, take it, Lamine. Hi, can I please speak to Okuhle?
Yeah, my name is Nabush.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila.
Do you know Tyrese?
Do you know Tyrese?
Yeah, yes.
Yini yakho?
Umuntu i-boyfriend yami.
Oh, hawu kanjani cause athi cousin yakhe. Ngime naye la uyakuphika. Ukuphika isiZulu.
Hawu, ayike, shuthi uyangithithela phela.
How long have they been together? Ask her.
Nitshela isikhathi esingakanani?
Sithole 4 months.
Uyakuphika kuphika nje ukuphika isiXhosa nesiZulu athi yona naye ngama-cousin.
Yo. Ish. Into engizoyithini ngempela lena? Ish, yazi uyabheda. Yo, ayilo mfana lona nje. Ayi. Ubulawa idakamizwa kakhulu nje. Nokuthi uthanda amantombazane shuthi uyi-player kakhulu. Ayi, mara ish. Yo, ngizokwenza njani Shomo? Ngizokwenza njani?
Angazi ngiyezwa ngakuwe cause la uyakuphika uthi wena nani ngama-cousin from father's side.
Yo. Hayi cha ngitshele Shem ukuthi yazini ngizombulala ngenduku ngizomenza into embi. Yo yazini ngizombulala nya. Ish ngeke eze ngenza into embi ebese ngiprekise nokungiprekisa. Wayenza lento shuthi iqinisa kanalo.
Uyaphika. Ayikho into ayivumayo, uyaphika nje.
Yeah, but just close the skirt.
Oh my God.
Sharp.
Yo.
Okay.
Pregnant, and you've made someone pregnant that you've been dating for 4 months.
Shoot so fast, phela. Uhamba ufast.
Literally. Ithini into yakho? Are you tongue-tied?
Oh. But I swear, man. So it wasn't.
It wasn't what?
Nah.
It wasn't what?
Ish, baby, man. It isn't, man.
It isn't what?
She's not pregnant. She's lying.
Oh, how do you know?
What's kanjani?
Because I know.
Benisebenzisa condom.
Hi.
Oh, you're gonna make people sick, Tyrese, hey? Please take my phone, thumbs.
Ungangibambi. Manje uthi siyenza njani indaba yakhona okuhle?
Hi, baby, man.
What do you want to do, my skirt? Do you want to stay or do you want to end it?
Uyamlahla okuhle okuqhubeka naye.
I like you, man. You know them, stand up, man.
So you guys are...
Akunasithandwa la. Akunasithandwa la.
So if uthe uyamlahla okuhle, what are you gonna do, skirt? Are you gonna stay?
No,
You're done.
I'm done because nakho kwazulu kwenza umntwana ngikhona.
Literally.
So you're leaving me now?
Shuthi phela ngiwiki okuhle strong. Ngiwiki okuhle strong.
It's not that, man. It's
What
not
is
that.
it? Why did you cheat?
We had an argument before,
Mm-hmm.
and then she told me she's leaving, and so I went out to the guys I met. And then it just happened. It wasn't even 4 months. She's lying to you, and she's not pregnant. I swear. It
It's
only
been
happened.
how many months if you're in France?
It's been some time, but yeah, not a month, not months. No.
No, kuma so pregnant.
Literally. Okay, guys, you know what? You don't have to decide here, ne? You guys can go talk about it at home.
Yeah, I think we should.
Yeah.
I'm sharp.
Are you fine? You're done?
I'm sharp.
Okay, Tyrese, please leave us.
Baby.
Awufunwa. My skirt, you can also go about your business, ne? Do you need transport or anything?
Yeah, I need transport.
Okay, it's fine. Just stand aside, ne, for me. We'll take you home. Flamini,
Okuhle.
pregnant in 4
I'll
months.
start calling you Okuhle.
Why?
You look like Okuhle. Pinda vet.
Every-
I
every-
want to say something. Can you go to Sunday? Ngiyacela ikazi.
Susondela phinda.
Let me ask you. I want to ask you this question. Does she not look like Nadia Nakai?
No, I don't.
Doesn't she? She does, ne?
Please move. I do not.
Even these things, even the eyes.
I don't look
it's
like Nadia
it's like they're
Nakai.
closing a bit.
I don't look like Nadia
You do, me,
Nakai.
I'm telling you.
I don't. Beautiful girl, but we don't look alike.
No, Niafan.
And we don't.
No, Niafan.
We don't.
I know in the comment section you guys will fagazela me, please.
We do not. Beautiful, gorgeous women, but we do not look alike.
You do.
We don't.
Someone who doesn't know you will think that you guys are twins.
No, we don't. We don't look alike. You know who Nadia Nakai looks like?
You.
Munaka.
Uh-uh.
You know Munaka?
Yeah, I know Munaka, but you.
Munaka and Nadia Nakai look alike.
Nawe,
No.
Nawe.
No. Klavini, leave me alone. Can you please close?
Okay.
Are we closing?
Yes, let's close.
All right. Where's my thingy?
What's your thinking?
Never mind. I'm not gonna. I don't wanna say it on camera.
This is the thing you gave me.
No, not that.
This is
Oh, no, not that.
not
You said my dried fruit is ugly, so stop eating it.
asawa.
Because you don't like it. You just wanna chew. You have a greedy palate.
My palate is not greedy.
It is because why are you chewing something you don't like? Why are you eating it? You don't like it.
I'm just making my palate happy.
All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
How's Lisa Jalut? I must say Valut. All right, CMTV viewers. All right, CMTV viewers. My name is Lisa. My couldn't all right, CMTV. All right, CMTV viewers. My name is Lisa. Okay, it's the question.
Are you done? Are you Kabile?
It's Kubile Sana. Oh, yini. Akonto. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini.
Blondie.
Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini Pinda. Asam Benonadi.
You look like a soccer player.
Ne?
Yeah. Please close, Pinda.
Sanbonani Dumelangu Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.